Now, in the meantime, the government is taking urgent action to address flood damage by prioritising emergency coastal erosion works. These are the first line of defence against rising waters and powerful waves that threaten vulnerable communities. Deputy Energy Transition and Water Transformation Minister Akmal Nasrullah Mohamed Nasir explains that while there's no dedicated emergency fund, swift action is enabled under the Unforeseen Emergency Works provisions.
Serat utama JPS ini sudah pasti melindungi daripada kejadian bencana tersebut, tetapi kita mengambil pandangan daripada KPKM dan semua pihak yang berkaitan apabila melaksanakan mana-mana projek.
Under the 12 Malaysia Plan, RM296 million has been set aside for urgent coastal protection nationwide from 2022 to 2025. Beyond that, long-term flood mitigation efforts are getting a boost, with RM3.53 billion allocated to 45 projects nationwide, using both structural and non-structural solutions. Terengganu stands out as the largest beneficiary, with RM1.52 billion allocated for 5 coastal erosion and 8 river estuary projects.